Hello kindergartners, I'm Mrs. Vaughn, and I am really excited today that we get to work together on the number 10. To get us started, we are going to read a story all about number 10, and it is called 10 Fingers Can. We're going to read about what 10 fingers can do. And it is written by Liza Charlesworth, and the pictures are by Ann Kennedy. And we are sharing it today with permission from Scholastic Books. As we get started, let's count her 10 fingers. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Our story starts out by saying 10 fingers can do many things. They can touch, they can clap, they can wave, they can dress in fancy rings. Let's count her rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fingers can catch a giant ball. 10 fingers can hug a favorite doll. 10 fingers can button and snap and zip. 10 fingers can launch a sailing ship. 10 fingers can put on a puppet show. She has 10 finger puppets. Let's count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 10 fingers can tickle tiny toes. 10 fingers can play, play, play. 10 fingers can put the toys away. That's very helpful. 10 fingers can learn to tie a shoe, and 10 fingers can say, I love you. Try that with me. I love you. 10 fingers can count up to 10. Let's start right here with 1 and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And wow, that was fun. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And just for fun, let's go backwards this time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boys and girls, we have reached the end of our story, and we have a 10 cheer to do. It starts out by saying, let's clap 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And touch the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's jump 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And spin around. Don't go too fast or we'll get dizzy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're halfway there. Now let's go the other direction. 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's stomp 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And cheer and shout for a wonderful number we cannot live without. Let's put all 10 fingers up and give a silent cheer. Friends, thank you for cheering all for the number 10 with me. We have now reached the end of our book called 10 Fingers Can, and we learned what they can do. Let's go ahead and say the end. T-H-E-E-N-D. The end. And now we will get busy on number 10. Well, kindergartners, I hope you enjoyed reading about number 10 as much as I did with the story 10 Fingers Can. And now we're going to move into our math lesson for today. You will need a 10 frame, 10 counters, your math journal turned to page number 10, a pencil, and some crayons. Gather up those materials and we'll get started. For my counters today, I am using buttons. You can use your counters from your student learning kit or something that you have around the home that is small enough that can fit inside the 10 frame. Help me count my buttons into my 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The top of the 10 frame is full, so I have 5. Now I'm going to go on with 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wonderful counting, my friends. Now we're going to be learning how to write the number 10. For the number 10, I will need 2 numerals. I will start over here with the 1, and my rhyme for that is straight down and around to win. That's the way to make a 10. For the 1, I just go straight down. And for the 10, I'm going to trace this 0 by going around to win. That's the way to make a 10. Let's trace these 10s down below. Start at the dot at the top, straight down, around to win. That's the way to make a 10. Straight down, around to win. That's the way to make a 10. Now I get to practice some on my own. I'm going to leave a finger space so that I can separate those 10s. And I'm going to go straight down, around to win. That's the way to make a 10. Then I'm going to leave a little finger space in between my next one. Straight down, around to win. That's the way to make a 10. Mrs. Vaughn always likes to go above and beyond, so I have a little bit more space. I could probably fit one more in there to practice. Straight down, around to win. That's the way to make a 10. And then down below, I'm going to draw 10 objects. Count with me as I draw them. I'm going to draw circles for my buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm going to be coloring in my buttons, and I have pulled out 10 of my favorite colors. Let's count the crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to start coloring. Thank you, friends, for all of your help with working with number 10 today. Let's finish off by counting our objects to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now the 10 frame is full. So I have one group of 10. Boys and girls, when you are all finished with your math journal today, be sure to take a picture of your good work and upload it to your Student Seesaw Journal. Wonderful work today, kindergartners.